Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Something Talk on YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about what is Claude. What if an AI could read your entire project, find bugs, write code, generate documentation, and even help you fix issues automatically? This is not science fiction anymore. It's called Claude Code. In this video, I will explain what Claude Code is, how it works, and why software engineers around the world are talking about it. The AI world has moved beyond simple chatbots. We are now entering the era of AI agents. Claude Code is one of the biggest examples of this shift. Unlike traditional AI assistants, Claude Code is designed to work alongside developers and understand entire projects. Claude Code is an AI coding assistant created by Anthropic. It runs inside your terminal. Instead of asking isolated coding questions, you can ask it to analyze your entire project. It can understand multiple files, dependencies, structures, and relationships between the components. That's the beauty. Here are some of the tasks Cloud Code can help with. It can read your project, find performance issues, generate documentation, create test cases, refactor the code, and even explain unfamiliar code bases like complicated code bases. Imagine you have a Python project. Instead of manually opening every file, you simply ask, analyze this project and find performance issues. Cloud Code starts scanning your project and identifies areas for improvement. Improvement areas like finding the duplicate codes, missing error handling, slow function detected, documentation missing areas, and all your Cloud Code can able to find it out from your code. ChatGPT is an assistant. Cloud Code behaves more like an AI worker. This is the biggest difference. Why I am highlighting this is most of the people ask the same what the difference between the Cloud Code and ChatGPT. In a previous video already we recorded and posted that the difference between the codex of ChatGPT and codex of OpenAI. Okay, the next question is, will AI replace software engineers? I don't think so. But software engineers who use AI may outperform those who don't. AI is becoming a skill multiplier. Honestly, this AI tool changing the way what we are working, the way we are working. In the 2023 ChatGPT, 2024 the AS is like other tools like LLMs, 2025 AI agents started working on it, 2026 the AI agents become the AI workforce. Okay, again, which one you are using in your real-time projects? Let me know in the comment, Cloud Code or OpenAI Codex. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and for the AI blogs, please go through the teltam.in blogs. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for your timings.